Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on the My Audi application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the profile button down below, and then tap on app settings in the settings section. Click on messages, which is the third option, and tap on open settings in the manage notifications section, and you will be directed to your phone settings, where you should click on notifications and tap on allow. Go back to the application and you can turn on or enable the predictive messages. So tap on this button and then it will be turned on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.